Today, I'm going to share how to properly wash and soak your sea moss so that you get the most out of it. And I'll be comparing gold sea moss from 2 different online companies. Stick around. Hey, I'm Timotha Lanae, indie artist, health enthusiast, and a mom. And on this channel, I share me and my family's journey to better health via detox, alkaline eating, and herbs. So if you want to learn more about alkaline living and how you can detox to support your body while it heals, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell. I post new videos every week. All right, hey y'all, I'm so excited. I wanted to do a video about gold sea moss from 2 different companies that actually sell real sea moss. And I wanted to just show my process of soaking and preparing and washing this gold sea moss correctly, because I've gotten some comments with people with concerns about how to actually prepare the sea moss and how their sea moss is looking when they soak it and things like that. So I just want to show you what I do and how to properly do it so that you have good sea moss gel to be able to use for all of the things that we like to use it for. If you haven't seen my video, 20 unique ways to use sea moss, definitely check that out, because I go into so many different ways, 20 ways that you can use sea moss for beauty, for health, for food, things like that. Please do like this video. If you are as excited about this gold sea moss as I am, when you like the video, it really helps the channel. So thank you in advance. I have gold sea moss from Fruits and Roots, and then I also have gold sea moss from Derek product. So I soaked them both overnight and washed them, and this is how they look right now. This is the Fruits and Roots, and this has been soaked overnight with lime, and then this is the Derek product soaked overnight. So they pretty much turned out the same, even though Derek products is harvested in St. Lucia and Fruits and Roots was harvested in Grenada, but they're both from the Caribbean. I'll insert a picture here of this Fruits and Roots. I washed it and then I soaked it with some food grade hydrogen peroxide just to help to get rid of bacteria. So what I noticed is that it was bubbling because there was a lot of bacteria on it, because this one was a little bit dirtier than the Derek product. When you get your sea moss, you want to make sure you're really washing it thoroughly. So what I like to do is first just really rinse it just with tap water, rinse it really well. And then I'll go in with some spring water. You could use this like Ice Mountain spring water, whatever type of spring water you can get in a gallon form, you can use that. But I like to go in then and even just kind of massage it, pour that in and massage it, and really just get any sand and dirt out. Sometimes you might even find a little critter in there because it's organic, it's from the ocean. So I'm washing my sea moss anywhere from 13 to 20 times, that I just continue to wash it, rinse the water out, wash it again, rinse the water out, wash it again, because I'm going to ingest this. So I want to make sure I get rid of all bacteria, all dirt. That's when you would bring in your lime and squeeze that in, and also massage and wash it with the lime. So I also soak it with the lime. I set this lime aside and actually soak it with the lime later. Then what I just started to do, like I mentioned, is I started to use this food grade hydrogen peroxide. I do 2 tablespoons of that and put it in while it soaks for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then I rinse that off, and then I soak it with spring water and lime overnight. Make sure that you are soaking it in cool or room temperature water. With the chemistry of it, if you're putting it in something warm, it's going to start to melt a little bit. And if you haven't seen my sea moss cheese recipe, where I use gold sea moss to make cheese, you'll see that when I put the sea moss in with warm water and warm quinoa milk, it starts to melt. So you want to make sure that your water isn't really warm, or the room that you're soaking it in isn't extremely hot, because it will start to melt or break down the sea moss much faster. And this water is room temperature when I fill it. It's not cool, but it's not hot, it's not warm. And this is how my sea moss turned out. This is the Derek product sea moss, how that one turned out after soaking it overnight. And it's actually been longer than 24 hours because I put this on to soak. Right now it's about 5 o'clock and I put it on to soak yesterday around noon. So it's been soaking much longer than 24 hours. And then you add your lime to help to cut the sea taste from it. I recommend at least 4 hours of soaking, and it's not completely necessary to have to soak it overnight, but at least 4 hours of soaking. If you've washed it thoroughly and have soaked it in room temperature or cool water, it should look like this. It should expand a little bit and be ready to turn into gel. Tune in next Friday. I'll be showing how I make this properly washed and soaked gold sea moss into sea moss gel and sea moss water. And I'll also be comparing the two gels from these two different companies, Fruits and Roots and Derek Products. So subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you do not miss it. And make sure to watch last week's video where I compare sea moss from 3 online companies, one of which is farmed sea moss. And it's a good video to watch if you want to see the difference between farmed sea moss and wildcrafted sea moss, or real versus fake sea moss, up close and personal. I do side-by-sides and point out what you should be looking for when you're purchasing high quality sea moss. I will link to Fruits and Roots website and also to Derek Product website below if you'd like to check them both out. And if you're interested in purchasing Derek Products gold sea moss, you can use the code GOLD15 to get 15% off your gold sea moss purchase. All of this information will be in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And if you've been craving cheese but you no longer eat dairy products, watch my alkaline dairy-free cheese recipe that uses gold sea moss and other alkaline foods from Dr. Sebi's food list. It's quick, it's easy, and it is delicious, y'all. It tastes so good. I'll link to this alkaline cheese recipe video and my complete healthy recipe series in the description box below. Make sure you go to my website and subscribe to my newsletter so you don't miss the announcement for my upcoming alkaline recipe book and detox transition guide. I've been talking with y'all and listening to what you need, and I'm creating this recipe book and detox transition guide to help those of you looking to transition yourselves and your families into an alkaline lifestyle. To subscribe to the newsletter, all you have to do is go to my website, timothalanae.com, which is linked below, and scroll down, and the subscribe prompt will pop up into your email, and voila, you are subscribed. If you want to learn more about alkaline living and detox, watch my series Detox Made Easy and my complete Dr. Sebi playlist. And go and binge watch the previous videos in my All Things Sea Moss series, like how I healed my acne scars with sea moss, and how to tell real from fake sea moss, and how to make you and your kids some sea moss popsicles. Join my Facebook group, Alkaline Living and Detox, for more meal plan ideas, Q&A, and a community of like-minded individuals. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video if it was helpful for you and you feel like it could help others. I am Timotha Lanae. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video.